Yeah, this is that is snow, and it is the 22nd of April, 2021, otherwise known as Earth Day. And this is my garden update. Uh, m- Much of the snow has melted when I was first out this morning, and I'll show you a still from that at the end of this. This was a pretty much blizzard whiteout conditions. There you're looking at a kale plant that was thriving. These are stinging nettles that the snow has just totally toppled. And I'm hoping they'll recover. That thing next to the stinging nettles, it looks like a board or something. That's actually a glass over top of my carrot plants, which hopefully that protected them somewhat. These palm looking stem type things are, and the greenery on the bottom are kale plants that are completely buried in snow. I mean, we're talking about 2 inches there, it looks like. Um, and then we were coming up to my 4 square garden, which I had the foresight of putting a corrugated plastic cover over, so that kept most of the snow out of direct contact with the various plants underneath there, but not affecting the cold, which is like, I believe it's down to about 28 degrees. And I guess the wind pulled that piece of burlap. I don't know what that thing's doing there. I just noticed that myself. I didn't notice that when I actually was first shooting this video. And of course, we're getting down to where my lettuce is buried. And I had put these plastic covers over the lettuce, and there's burlap under parts where I didn't. You can't even see the burlap, and you just barely see these plastic covers. But I have no idea if any of that lettuce survived. I can't imagine it. It would be the equivalent of it being in a freezer, and you can't freeze lettuce. And it was doing so fine. So much for global warming, right? We're over a month into spring, and this is what we get. And it is freezing outside right now. And it's supposed to be cold from now through Sunday. The overnights are all going to be in the 30s and close on or about, below or about freezing. So I'm not a happy camper right now from a gardening standpoint. Yeah. Under there were beautiful lettuce starts that probably, if this wouldn't have happened, within 2 weeks I would have been having salads from there. And as we come towards the close of the video, on the other side here is where I had some oregano and some flowers and some beans and pea plants, which will be the very tail end of the video when it's like speeds up towards the end, the way this, yeah. And there you can see those are the peas and beans there right in the upper